Good evening everyone. Today I want to discuss about Flashfield. Flashfield is a basic AI. What type of basic AI? Is what as a AI is a computer brain. Let's take a example of Flashfield. This is the data, three types of data available in this, and I want to sit it in this format. In this, so first one I will type the city from the T, then enter. If you want to use the place field, place field is what only nearby point. Not first one I am write the Delhi column, then select the second row and use the command place field. So all cities will be recovered from next side, left side column. Let's take the second example. This is IFC. All are unique IFC, and we have to check the code, some number, only number. So then I will check first, answer the one questions 2 3 4 3 4 5, then enter and use the shortcut key of place to control plus E. So all unique number I arrive in just a 1 second. And the last third one is we have three type of name: first name, middle name, and last name. For example, Raj Kumar Singh. You have to join this name. The first one I have answered the question Raj Kumar Singh and enter, and just press Ctrl E. All names will be combined: first name, middle name, and last name. Same. I have already data of cells: employee code, first name, last name, department, east, butter. The first one I have to combine this column, first name and last name. So I will insert the column because place fill working into nearby column. First answer the one question Suman Sinde into, and let's press the Ctrl E. All name will be full name. After so many columns and so many rows, only one shortcut key Ctrl E will be pressed. All columns will be filled.